Beyoncé and Jay-Z may be keeping their new bundle of joy under wraps, but some aspects of their family life are still making their way into the press. The superstar mother, 30, was spotted breastfeeding baby Blue Ivy at the St. Ambrose Cafe in the West Village Saturday, marking one of the baby's first public appearances. According to Us Magazine, Beyoncé and Jay-Z shared a casual lunch in the cafe, and the Run the World singer at one point began to breastfeed her little girl at her table. The couple left after a short meal, according to the Daily Mail, and ducked out with Beyoncé grasping Blue protectively in her arms. Beyoncé's bold move comes amid a large movement by fellow mothers to destigmatize breastfeeding in public. The issue at hand, that women are discriminated against for breastfeeding in public, has led a whole legion of women to organize demonstrations in protest of those who want to deny mothers their right.